Alright guys, so the Franken Beast is alive and well. Just letting y'all know, in case you were as concerned as I was about the health and well-being of this new Frankenstein motor I've just built. I did the carb swap from W&V bodies to WH bodies, and let me tell you, man, this sumbitch come alive like nothing this boat has ever seen before. This is by far the strongest motor that this boat has seen, and there's some pretty stout ones hanging on the back. What I'm fixing to do, I'm going to give it a couple hits. Just to recap everything I did. So the chest is gutted. Exhaust port roof heights, chamfers were raised to 1.5 inches from the deck height. Rod slots were blended into the transfers. Exhaust dumps. Yes, so the exhaust dumps I didn't open completely up. If you're familiar with how much material difference there is between like your efficient motor and Pro Max exhaust dumps, you know, it's about 3/8 inch thick strip of aluminum you got to remove from these adapters to match the dumps, or in the block to match the adapter. Well, I didn't take it all the way. It's more of an oval shape. So I didn't remove the stuffing all the way in the corners, if that makes sense. It's rounded off. It's kind of oval shape. But that's what I did to that, and the 46s are on it now. 5-pedal, composite reeds. What else? Can't think of anything else. Well, this is, I mean, it's the first one that I built myself and did the machine work, everything myself. So it's pretty cool. I was worried about it. I thought I had a slug there for a minute. But, you know, part of learning is failing. So I got lucky this time. I thought I failed, but I didn't. It just did a little carb swap. And, you know, I wish I'd have done one thing at a time, as far as like either exhaust dumps first, carb swap first, but I didn't. I would have done them both because I'm having such a hard time finding time to get on the water. I want to go ahead and do everything I thought would benefit from doing before I went out this time. So anyway, here I am. I'll flip here. It's not really a smooth day out. There's a little chop, a lot of current, but we're fixing to go ahead and let her eat. So I'm gonna try to keep the phone where you can see the motor. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. I don't want to lose my phone. All right, she's trimmed down, and here we go. She's alive and well. She'll toss you out of the boat if you ain't careful. Appreciate all your help, guys. It does not go unnoticed. I'm learning so much from you guys in this site, man. It's unreal. I love it. Having some of the most fun I've ever had, thanks to a lot of you guys. I appreciate it.